Hello and welcome to MGTracey. So today, if you are now the proud owner of a Dolce Gusto machine or are thinking of buying one, this is the video for you. But also we've got some new flavoured hot chocolates this year. So in the Dolce Gusto format, you have celebrations. Isn't that a fantastic idea? All your favourite sweets as a hot chocolate through the Dolce Gusto. Right, let's jump right in and I'll show you how to get your machine up and running, ready to enjoy some of the best hot chocolates this Christmas. Right, now the first thing we need to do is to make sure we've filled the water tank. So again, if you've not used this for a while, or if this is the first time you've used the machine, this needs to be given a good rinse. And you also find this little springy valve on the bottom. Make sure you give that a little bit of a rinse. Then fill up the machine. There we go, there's our water. So the most common questions I get for all coffee machines are where people are having problems where the machine sounds like it's running or it's making a lot of vibration noises. It's usually the simplest thing. You have not docked the tank correctly for your machine. So they all need a little bit of a clip there. They normally fit at the top and away you go. Now, if this is the first time you've used the machine, or if, like me, this one hasn't been used for a while, then you should find something like this, a little bit that helps with the cleaning. The top pops up, out pops your tray that you would normally put the pods in. Drop in your cleaning one there, back in, down. Now this should firmly shut, but if you're getting too much resistance, then you've not got the cleaning part or the pod correctly in. Once you turn the machine on, you should get a flashing red light here, and when it's ready to go, it's green. So with the switch, remember Dolce Gusto low-end machines do not turn themselves off. The higher ones do, the higher spec ones do. To the left will be cold water. We're just going to run some hot water through to clean this because it's not been used for a while, so we're going to go to the right. Now a lot of people have sent me messages saying their Dolce Gusto machine is vibrating. They do vibrate the machine. I can feel the whole of the counter shaking. That's just the design of the machine. You can probably even see the vibration bits in the pattern in the water there. Not all coffee machines do, but however Dolce Gusto have designed theirs with the pump inside, it does. Good, so that's that one sorted. So now really your machine is ready to use, so let's have a go at using the new Celebrations hot chocolate. Now these are all in the supermarkets at the moment, so Dolce Gusto, very easy, all supermarkets have them. You will find different types of pods. Now the very cheap copies of Dolce Gusto, actually often they are just instant coffee in there, so I'm not a great fan. These pods, if you're making coffees, and I should be making one tomorrow showing you how to make a lovely Americano, it should have ground fresh coffee in it. If you start having anything else in your coffee, you know, instant coffee, you might as well just make yourself a NESCAFÉ or something really. There's hardly any point in having a machine, is there? But in here, we've got lots of different flavours. Look, we've got Mars, Galaxy, Milky Way, but I'm going to go for Bounty. So I'm going to have a bit of a coconut hot chocolate. So in order to do that, we're going to take out the little cleaning pod we had earlier, and you just drop your pods in there. Now you will find that you can order, when you're buying these online, an envelope so that you can post back the pods from the Dolce Gusto, or any other machine actually, and they will be recycled. The postage is free and they will send you out the return envelope free, so you don't now have to worry about these things going to landfill. Now actually I'm going to do it in here. I think there's a lot of presentation when you're giving friends drinks at Christmas. Let's have a go now doing that Bounty hot chocolate. It's certainly an amazing smell. That is lovely. Actually, you can smell coconut and chocolate, so you do know I've definitely got the right one. Remember, you've got to turn this off yourself when you get to the right level. And with vibrations, you can find a couple move a bit as well, so watch out for that. Actually, I don't think I've probably used all that pod there, but that's quite nice. So if you're trying to impress your guests, rather than having it in a clear coffee one, I think hot chocolate's nice like that. And the other thing I found on Amazon that I quite like for this year is some little mini crackers. So you can just serve that like that and impress everybody with your new Dolce Gusto machine or your new coffee or hot chocolate expertise. When you're finished, just pop this up. Bearing in mind, you might get very hot boiling water dropping out here. Don't look, don't get under there. And there is your pod. I just drop that upside down for a minute. And then I have an envelope outside, and that goes back into the factory. So tomorrow I'll be showing you how to make fantastic Starbucks on your Dolce Gusto machine. This is really good. This is the house blend Americano, and my word, it's impressive. So I'll have a go at that and we'll show you that one tomorrow.